And I am live. Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening here in Alberta, Canada. And yes, if this is your first time seeing me here in my Facebook page, my Facebook profile, my LinkedIn, my YouTube, my name is Verna Garcia Maniquis. I am originally from the Philippines, from Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija. I am a wife. I have a supportive husband. I have two amazing boys. And yes, we live here now in Alberta, Canada. I came to Canada 2001 in Winnipeg. And then I moved here to Calgary 2016. And yes, I am a regular licensed practical nurse by profession. I am LPN. I'm doing this as a part-time. And at the same time, I am a global online digital business owner, guys. So why I'm here today is because I would like to invite you. We have a live webinar today. Pre-webinar, guys, in possession. I am inviting you to attend to our live around 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, and yes, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So just check your time zone, guys. Why am I inviting you? Because I would like to help you. If you are a mom like me, if you're a single lady like me, I would like to help you to earn extra at home, right? Not just waiting for our paycheck to paycheck. This business, you can earn extra. From home, look at that. You don't need to find a place to do your business. This is a home-based business, internet business. That's why what we need is a smartphone, laptop, and internet connection. And yesterday, right, we opened this check yesterday, and I received a 7 check, guys, right? So I received 7 check. I know this is just the half of the check because I deposit today. So this is the check that I received yesterday from my online business, from my home-based business. This one will help me to pay some of my bills, my house bills, right? So it will help me to pay. And yes, my son requested pizza, so we'll do it tomorrow. uh, so that's the beauty of our business. You can earn at home and it's flexible doing it. You can just provide 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours per day, any time of the day, morning, afternoon, evening, nighttime. It's up to you. When do you want to check your business? When do you want to go to your training? It is up to you, guys. Our training is open 24/7. So because we are global, we are international, we are worldwide. So we have different kinds of nationality, different kinds of culture in our community. There's lots of, it is proven system, our business, because lots of people are successful. Like I said, different kinds of profession. There's nurses like LPN or RN. There's a doctor. There is a firefighter. There's a support worker, healthcare aide, uh, community paramedic. There is a teacher. There's an engineer. There's a IT, housekeeping, um, engineer. You name it, guys. Teacher, dietitian. You will see all of them in our community once you join with our business. Why they join? Even they have a good salary, because our business have a time freedom and financial freedom. Like me, why did I join the business? At first, I would like to earn extra at home, because that time when the global pandemic came to Canada, I need to stop working. Nobody will look after my kids. I could not leave them alone at home at that time. So I saw this in social media, in here in Facebook, digital business, and I asked her. And she redirected me to watch our free webinar, which is I did. So actually, my QR code is there, guys. Okay, you just need to put your camera, cell phone there, and it will bring you to my website. Also, my website is here, www.bernamaniquez.com. And I can also put in the comment my website. So you just need to click. Once it's there, you just need to click my website, and this is my website actually, guys. I would like to show it to you so that you know what I'm talking about. So this is my website. You just need to enter your name, your email address, check the small box there, click register now, and after you do that, we have a replay webinar that you can watch right away. That replay, it replays at midnight, for example, today, right? Midnight of Thursday, it will replace the new one that we will do live. So in every week, twice a week, we have a different webinar that replay that you can watch. So it's up to you when do you want to watch. And some of the people are so busy that the one that I'm talking about our webinar. So I just told them you can just listen and just watch. You can do this while you're doing household chores because we need to do multitask, right? Because we're busy every day. And then when we are off, we need to do laundry, we need to do clean the house, right? So every day is a busy day. So that's the only things that you can do, or while you are driving, you just listen and then of course you can watch it again. So to be able to understand everything. I don't know, my hair is not very good. Right? I just took a shower. I'm a little bit late because I put my check into the bank so that I can pay some bills. After this, I will pay my NMAX. And yes, guys, so our business, no physical selling involved, no borrowing families and friends, no inventory, no phone call, no monthly fee, no monthly quota, no need to be tech savvy, whether you don't have how to do copy paste, no experience need because we have amazing training, video-based training. It is a self-taught. And of course, if you cannot understand something, you can ask us. If you will have question, you will have personal mentor and a coach. Yes, I'm still doing one-on-one mentor. I'm a coach too, that I can guide you to our business, guys. Okay, I will help you to start, to build, and grow an internet-based business. Basta po willing kayong matutunan ng business natin, wala pong magiging problema. Okay? If you are willing to learn our business, everything will be smooth, everything will be possible. So, what is your dream? Maybe we have the same dreams, okay? Like paying off your house, saving something for your kids' university, for yourself. You would like to retire early like me. You would like to invest more, buy some more properties, would like to travel anywhere without worrying anything because you have enough money to spend. Our business, that's why we have a millionaire mastermind every Wednesday, because people become millionaire. Of course, this is not get rich quick scheme, guys, okay? This is not get rich quick scheme. I will repeat, this business, you need to work hard first, and then later on, you will enjoy life with your family. Okay? So, but like I said, it is proven system. It is legit. We file tax every year. Once you start earning $500, you can get T4 from our company that they will provide it to you so that you can claim some of your tax, some of things that you can claim. So we are legit. Okay? We are high ticket business. It's been our company has been 50 years now in the community, serving globally, internationally, and yes, the commission is so high, and the compensation plan is lucrative. You will earn passive income with our business. That's why people from our community be able to retire in their profession because of this business. Because our business, you'd like to join because you'd like to start an online business. And in our online business, there is like time freedom and financial freedom that is connected. That's the people need it in our life, right? As long as you have financial freedom and time freedom that you can enjoy with your family, this business there is in there. And I know I'm seeing a clear vision that one day I will reach my goals and dream in dream. So this year is gonna be the best year of my life. Amen. Thank you, Lord. You can copy me. I post that. You can manifest that. It's gonna be the best year of your life too. And yes, I would like to say thank you so much to my viewer. And thank you to the people who are going to watch this. And yes, if you will have question, comment in the comment area. I will try my best to answer all the questions that you have. So check it out now, guys, okay? You will not lose anything because it is a free webinar that you can watch any time of the day. So this business, it will help us to change our life for a better. So check it out, okay? And see it for yourself. If this business is for you or no. So after you watch our free webinar, we have 30 days trial guarantee, 100% refundable. It is risk-free, no obligation. If you say this business is not for you, you can refund your money. So when you paid 149 US dollar, you will receive a receipt and you will receive the pre-coaching video. It's about 2 hours that you can watch. And then I will invite you to our private community so that you can see people, how people earn with this business. So you can check her out. Check the business, guys, okay? Life is expensive nowadays. It is good to have a side hustle or plan B. We'll make this short and sweet, guys, because I'm tired today. I need to take a nap. Lots of things happen in my work. And that's the way it is. I cannot do anything. I like to serve. I like to provide care with elderly people. They are all sweet, of course, but every time you go to school, every time you go to work, there's always something that you need to do. There is always something that you need to finish it. Everything that you need is anyway, that's the way it is. So in our business, everything that you need is there in our training. We have a millionaire mastermind every Wednesday. We have a daily drop-in that you can join if you will have question. But of course, I'm still doing one-on-one mentor and I'm a coach too. And also our global community willing to help us. No one will left behind. Our top earner, they are both amazing. Mike and Darren, we're so happy we are in your community. We are so blessed. So guys, okay, this business, no physical selling involved. Check it out now and see you inside. Watch our free webinar. I will show you one more time my website. So my QR code is there. You just need to put your cell phone camera. Also, my website is here, www.bernamarquez.com. And I put in the comment, that's the easy way. You just need to click. And my website, where are we? Where's my website? Wrong one. Okay, this one. This is my website. So you just need to enter your name or email address. Check the small box there and click register. Okay? And yeah, that's it for now. I better go. Okay? That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. I have 2 viewers. Thank you so much for watching, whoever you are. And watch our pre-webinar. See you inside. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.